Hello guys, today we'll be going with the 2024 Junior Balkan Mathematical Olympiad Problem 2. So, let ABC be a triangle such that AB is less than AC, and let X circle opposite to A be tangent to the lines AB, AC, and BC at points D, E, and F respectively, and let J be its center, and let P be a point on the side BC. So the circumcircles of the triangles BDP and CEP intersect for the second time at Q. Let R be the foot of the perpendicular from A to line FJ. Prove that the points P, Q, and R are collinear. So here's a diagram I've drawn. Let's indicate the right angle here. So our first observation is that this is a configuration of Miquel's theorem, which means that ADQE is cyclic. Something like this. And so, what other points are on the circle? Well, yeah, so now the question is, what other points are on the circle? J looks like it's on the circle, and so does R. And how can we prove that? So we know that J is obviously the center of the X circle, which means that, so this means that angle ADJ is 90 degrees. And so this means that AJ is a diameter of the circle. And also we know that AE is also 90 degrees and AR. So this means that R and J are all on the circle, and AJ is the diameter of the circle. Anyway, so now we want to prove that angles well, how can we prove that R is on line PQ? We know we could say that line RQ is a transversal because you know that AR is parallel to BC. So maybe we could prove that those two angles are congruent. Also, I noticed that I just noticed this, but my D is a little bit wonky. Okay, anyway, so we want to prove that these two blue angles are equal. So this angle is equal to 180 degrees minus BDQ, because BDQP is cyclic. And ARP is equal to BPQ, and we want to prove that. So ARQ is equal to AEQ because cyclic quadrilaterals. So let me just draw that real quick. These are cyclic. And so now we want to prove that 180 degrees minus BDQ is equal to angle AEQ. And angle AEQ plus BDQ is actually equal to 180 degrees because AEQD is cyclic. So that means that angle ARP is equal to angle BPQ, which means that RQ is a transversal, which means that RQ is a straight line, which means that PQR are collinear. Thank you guys for watching.